What's big data? I recently heard someone from HP put the concept into the clearest of terms. Each engine of a typical two-engine Boeing 737 generates 20 terabytes of data per hour, or 40 terabytes total for both engines. So in a standard cross-country 6-hour flight, you're talking 240 terabytes of new data. Now, multiply that times the number of flights daily in the US of all commercial jetliners, and you've got big data, real big data. And it has to be stored, at least temporarily, and it has to be managed. And most importantly, it needs to be analyzed and it needs to be mined. Now, big data is usually broadly defined as the gigantic amounts of structured and semi-structured data a company creates, data that would take too much time and cost too much money to load into a relational database for analyses or to be processed with existing infrastructure. Of course, the thing to do is not to think of big data so much as a challenge as it is an opportunity. Really. It is an opportunity to find insight in new and emerging types of data, to make your IT department and the business more agile and be more responsive to what can be fleeting chances to excel. Plus, you may be able to solve problems and answer questions that, in the past, were beyond your abilities. Now, this is all easy for me to say because I'm not a CIO. But in future video blogs here, I will actually try to offer some common sense advice and suggestions based on input from people far brighter than I am. So please stay tuned. I'm Bill Laberis, and thank you for joining me for this Enterprise CIO Minute.